How to download TikTok Lite. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. So in this video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can download TikTok Lite app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to download the TikTok Lite application, it's very simple. First of all, TikTok Lite is only available for Android Play Store, right? It is not available on the Apple App Store. Now what you want to do is just make sure that you're connected to the internet. Even if you don't have Wi-Fi, just try to switch to cellular data. Once done, and make sure that you have good internet, just open your Play Store. Once you open your Play Store, at the very top you can see the search bar. In the search bar, you just want to type in TikTok Lite. So just type in TikTok Lite and then search for it. Once you type in TikTok Lite, you'll find basically the first application on the list, which is TikTok Lite by TikTok Private Limited. If you just go to the developer, you have other TikTok applications, but we're just learning to download the TikTok Lite app. Now, if you have not installed it before, you'll find the green install button. In my case, I've already installed it. That is why I'm seeing the open button. If I want to uninstall or update it, I can just do so from here. If you want, you can give it a rating and then just scroll down and then give other features if you want. But to give you a context of the idea, this is how you can download the TikTok Lite app. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you though, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.